Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are doing well. So, today we are going to learn
Conversation question English introduction of small letter B, phonic sound of small letter B, activity of small letter A and B in spiral book, number work count and write numbers in spiral book, EVS write the first letter of the given parts of a plant, rhyme what do plants need. Conversation question What do you say when someone gives you something? So kids, when someone gives you something, what you will reply? Suppose if your friend gives you a gift, what you will reply him? You'll simply take the gift? No, you will say him, thank you. What you'll say? You will say thank you. Okay? What do you say when someone gives you something? Thank you. Okay kids? Whenever someone gives you something, you have to say them thank you. Repeat along with me. Thank you. Very good.
Hello children, welcome back. In today's session, we'll be learning a new letter. We have started to learn small letters. What have we learned till now? We have learned letter A, small a. And in today's session, we'll be learning small b. Okay? Small b, its phonic sound and the formation of letter small b. Children, today we are going to learn small b. Small b. B says b. B ball. B says b. B butterfly. Butterfly. B says b. B baby. Baby. B says b. B bat. Bat. B bag. Bag. B book. Book. Let's quickly revise the phonic sound of letter B. We have already learned the phonic sound. We are just going to revise it. Are you all ready?
Bring your bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bat and bring your ball, Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
This is your tiny talk book. Take out this book and we are going to write small letter B. Can you see this, children? This is the page. This is the worksheet page. Today we are going to write. Okay? After writing, you can color the letter as well as the picture of ball. Dear parents, please write the date on top of the page for your child. And now, first you need to trace the letter. And then we can begin and write letter B. Children, now we'll start and begin to write small letter B. Keep the pencil on the red line. Okay? And from there, draw a standing line. Don't lift your pencil. Slowly go up and draw a right curve. Small b. How you are going to trace? First standing line. Don't lift the pencil. Go up and right curve. Small b. This is how you need to trace the given letters. And now we'll try and write small letter B. Keep the pencil on the red line. From there we are going to draw a standing line till the blue line. Okay? Yes? Now don't lift the pencil. From here we are going to go up and draw a right curve in the center lines. Small b. Standing line. We are not lifting the pencil. Go up. right curve. Standing line, go up, right curve. Small b, standing line, go up, right curve. Standing line, go up, right curve. Small b. B says b. Okay children, got it? For today you need to complete this whole worksheet. Yes, it's very simple and easy. You have to start writing from red line. You have to draw a standing line till blue line, and without lifting the pencil go up again and draw a right curve. This is how we write small letter B. Do write neatly. These letters are new, but I know you all can write neatly and correctly. See you all in the next session. Till then, be happy, be safe, stay blessed.
Introduction of letter B. B, ball. Balls are bouncing. B. B is the sound of B. Repeat along with me. Balls are bouncing. B is the sound of B. Now let's see some objects related to letter B. B, ball. B, bed. B, bee. B, bell. B, balloon. B, banana. B, butterfly. Okay, now let's enjoy the rhyme.
Can you make the letter sounds? We can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter B. This is a capital B. This is a lowercase b. You know how the B looks. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Yes! B is for ball. B is for baby. B is for a blue balloon. B is for book. B is for bird. B is for the bus. You know some B words. Now let's make the letter B sound. B, 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 b. Your turn. B, 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 b. B.
Good morning, kids. Welcome back. This is your spiral book. Open page number 13. Okay? Here on the top left, you have to write today's date. Parents, please help your child to write today's date. Circle the letter A. Here we have to circle the given letter. Okay, let's begin now. Here we are having an outline of an apple and few letters inside it. We have to circle the letter A. Apple. Now let's check out the letters. Which letter is this? Letter A. So let's circle letter A. Either you can circle it or you can color it. Okay? Take the crayon, any color, and color. Letter A. Now, which letter is this? Letter A. color it. Which letter is this? A. So color it. Which letter is this? Letter C. Which letter is this? Letter A. Either you can circle it or you can color it. Which letter is this? Letter D. Which letter is this? Yes, letter A. So circle it or color it. Which letter is this? Letter E. This is letter A. So circle it or color it. Which letter is this? Letter C. Which letter is this? This is letter A. So circle it or color it. Now circle the letter B. Here we are having an outline of a ball and we have to circle or color letter B. Now let's check out the letters. Which letter is this? Yes, this is letter B. So we can circle it or color it. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? Yes. So color it. Down. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? Yes. Is this a letter B? Yes. So color it or circle it. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? Yes. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? Yes. So color it or circle it. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? Yes. So color it. Is this a letter B? No. Is this a letter B? No. So we have completed our page. On the next page, page number 14, this is the homework page. So children, whenever you get time, you can complete your homework page. Okay? Okay then, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hello children. Children, today we'll practice count and write numbers in term 2 book. Go to page number 5. Page number 5. On the top left side, write today's date. Now we'll count and write the numbers. Now we'll count how many apples are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples. Write the numbers in the box given. 5. Then leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 leaves. Write number 7 in the box. 7. Now we'll count how many balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 balls. 9. Now we'll count how many butterflies are here. 1, 2. 2 butterflies. 2. We'll count how many flowers are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. 4. Now we'll count how many umbrellas are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 umbrellas. Write 3 in the box. 3. Now we'll count how many ice cream cones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cones. 1, 0, 10. Now we'll count how many birds are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. 6. Now we'll count how many toffees are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 toffees. Write 8. 8. Now fish. How many fishes are here? Only one fish. 1. Write 1 in the box. 1. Okay, children. Like this, count and write the numbers in the box given. Thank you.
Write the first letter of the picture. Here you have to write the first letter of the picture. What is this? These are leaves. Leaves. Listen to the sound. Leaves. Which sound is coming? L. L. Leaves. Okay, so what we'll write here? L. L. Leaves. Okay, what is the first letter of this picture? L. 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 Leaves. Okay, now what is this? Roots. Roots. Listen to the sound. Roots. R. Roots. So what will come here? R. R. Roots. What is this? What is this? Stem. Listen to the sound. Which sound is coming? Stem. Stem. So what is the first letter of this picture? Stem. S. Which sound is coming? S. Stem. Okay. What is this? Seeds. S. Seeds. Which sound is coming? Seeds. S. Seeds. Okay. What is this? Flower. Flower. Listen to the sound. Flower. F. F. Flower. Okay.
Good morning, children. Welcome to Springfield School Wasap Tank. Children, today's rhyme is, what do plants need? What do plants need? What do plants need to grow tall? To grow tall, plants need soil, water, air and sun. Watch them grow, watch them grow. What do plants need? What do plants need to grow tall? To grow tall, plants need soil, water, air and sun. Watch them grow, watch them grow. Thank you, children, for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed this rhyme. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thank you. See you again. Bye.